Copy and then delete dekat tengah-tengah tu. Lepas tu then you boleh key in your name. Example, practice this one first. Sheila, you getting it?
Okay, no problem.
Okay, good. Okay, how to change the font? Click the name example and then go and change the font. Okay, you want to change to this. You want to change to this. This is how you change the font. Okay. How to change font? Click and then you can see on top here, you can select your fonts. You nak fonts macam gini, you nak fonts macam gini. Okay, how you want to change the fonts? You can change the fonts. Okay. Okay, now so far okay, insert in heading, put in your title of the book. If you want to change the different fonts and you want to change the size, example, you want to change the size, you can see on top there is a plus and minus. You can change the size. You can make it small or you can make it big. Okay, or you can choose the center and choose the right number. Let's say 56. Example, this is some of the example. Change the size of the font. You see, you can play with the minus sign or you can play with the plus sign, or you can copy this and then select the size that you want. Let's say you want a size for 56, or you click the center there, you can put 80, even bigger. So far, okay? Cecilia, okay?
Okay, okay. No problem with me.
Anybody need help? Kak Raihan, okay, Kak Raihan? Okay, now I want you to change the color of the font.
Change the color.
Okay, now you see, you click the alphabet, there's a color. You can change the color. You want to change to red color. Okay. Or you want to change to purple color. You click and then you change to gray color, also can. Practice this one first. Okay, you can change the color of the fonts. Okay, click at the ebook preview here, at the fonts, and then you can change the color. You want to change this color. Quite straightforward. Okay. Then you want to make it bold. You want to make it slant. You can underline. All these are like Microsoft. It's exactly like Microsoft. Okay. Can? Okay, I repeat again. I show you again. I cancel all this. I cancel all this. I show one more time because our book cover are very straightforward. All you need to do is just put a text. Book cover ni paling mudah sekali. Nama, taruh nama you, judul, your book title, and then your name. Normally book cover are very straightforward to do. But these are the basic things that you must learn. Okay, remember, let's say your heading, your book heading. I click at heading there. You can see. And then I delete this. Then I put my book title. Example, Master Shiro. Okay, so this is my book cover, and then I want to put the title of my book cover. Okay, I can drag. Okay, let's say I don't like this font. I want to change the font. I click here. I go and select which font I like. Okay, font mana yang saya suka, saya klik dekat sini, saya tukar fonts. Contoh saya nak yang macam kesih macam ini, saya pilih, boleh. Then if I want to change to this, I can change. Okay, if I want to change to this, I can change. So up to you. Okay, then after that, I want to choose the color of the font. Let's say I want to put red. I want to put purple. I want to put orange. Okay, and then I want to select the size of the font. I want to make it big. I want to make it small. Okay. These are the basic things.